Customer Relationship Management, commonly known as CRM. What is CRM? Customer Relationship Management is the process of managing interactions with the past, current, and potential customers by a company or an individual. Let me explain this through a beautiful story, which I am sure we will all remember throughout our life. This happened with a colleague of mine who has been associated with me for many years, and he's grown up in the ranks. After he was promoted to a regional manager level, he started traveling. In one such travels, he was booked into a hotel from the company. He checked into the room and he was pleasantly surprised to see a beautiful branded talcum powder, a perfume, and an aftershave lotion kept into the hotel washroom, with a nicely placed sticker on each of them stating, "For use during your hotel stay only. Please do not carry it along." While he used the perfume, he just fell in love with that smell and fragrance. After his 2 days stay there, he was so much impressed with that perfume that he quietly slipped that bottle into his bag and he came out to the counter for checking out. While he made the payment, he told the hotel authorities that my luggage is here, please put it in the cloakroom. Whilst I come back after the work in the evening, I'll pick up my luggage and move to the airport. The hotel obliged. He came back in the evening, he picked up the luggage and he boarded the taxi. While he was on the way to the airport, he got a call from the hotel. There was a pleasing voice on the other side, thanking him for choosing the hotel for the stay. He was very happy. And then the same person said, "Sir, we observe that you liked the perfume bottle which we have kept in the washroom. We are very happy to note that the choice of our products has really appealed you. So much so that you wanted to carry this as a souvenir to your home. So just wanted to inform you that we've removed the half-used bottle from your luggage and kept in a brand new bottle in your baggage." He did not have words to express. He literally fell short of words. He thanked him and then switched off the phone. A couple of days back when we were sitting, he narrated this entire story. He says, "Sir, this has happened to me after so many years. I still remember it." And I was thinking, hats off to the customer relationship management of that hotel. How beautifully the staff has been trained. How nicely they have taken care of the customer. While the customer was taking a half-used bottle, they could have easily charged him, filed a complaint against him. But by doing the small little gesture, they must have spent a couple of rupees. But by doing the small little gesture, they had this customer with them for life. I'm sure we will all appreciate the story and understand what actually customer relationship management is all about. Would also like to narrate a small little story which happened with me. I was working and I went and met a doctor friend of mine. I was formally dressed. The doctor happened to see the tie which I was wearing and was very impressed. During the time I was sitting and chatting with him, he really appreciated it at least 3-4 times. "Harpal, I like your tie. Harpal, this is print is beautiful. The stuff is very nice." And I thanked him, came out, finished off my working, went to the market, to the same brand showroom, purchased the same tie. Next day met him and gifted him beautifully wrapped tie. He was touched. Till date, we are in touch, and the relationships have grown stronger over a period of time. A small little act, but has given me a lifelong relationship. I believe these two incidences will help all of you to understand what CRM is, or customer relationship management is. This would not only be true in professional careers, but also in personal lives. I would like to have your feedbacks and your comments. Please do share it. I'll be back very soon with my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself.